Looking good, babe. So you're making fried chicken breast?
Uh-huh.
Yummy. Say hi to the people.
Hey folks, how y'all doing? Okay, this is the cover and color of what you're looking for. You want it to be nicely covered so that oil sears the spices to the chicken breast. And of course I poked holes in it so that seasoning is inside the chicken breast too. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn it down low. It really doesn't take that long to cook. And I'm going to turn it down low, put a cover on it, and then put my marinade in there and let it finish the rest of the way.
Yummy.
That's what I'm using, folks. Okay, I'm gonna cover this and let that simmer. I'm gonna go watch a movie, come back, and dinner is served. We got a couple more things we gotta do. Other than that, this is pretty much done. I'll let those seasonings set up in there. Let's turn the heat up a little bit. Let's cover it. The reason I'm using foil, we can't find a lid big enough for this skillet, but you have to learn how to improvise.
Dinner time. Yummy. Thank you, babe.